Foods that lower blood pressure. There are countless meats, vegetables, and fruits that hold the ability to naturally reduce blood pressure levels and prevent the symptoms of hypertension. Most doctors recommend their patients to adopt healthy eating patterns and avoid all kinds of processed, packaged, and fat-rich meals that trigger the symptoms leading up to hypertension. You see, raised blood pressure levels are directly associated with your diet, and if you want to maintain them at a healthy level, all you need to do is change your diet. We are going to introduce you to the DASH diet, which means dietary approaches to stop hypertension. It is a widely recommended eating plan that is prevalently prescribed by all physicians and medical practitioners across the globe. It is rich with food items that contain very few traces of calories, cholesterol, saturated fats, and total fats, and they largely contain low-fat dairy items, veggies, fruits, and cold water fish. Here, take a look at the nutrient-dense food items that will enhance your health and reduce your blood pressure levels naturally. Celery. Celery is the most widely recommended veggie to naturally reduce blood pressure levels, and Chinese medicine practitioners have used this natural remedy for hundreds of years. Celery and its roots are highly beneficial for curing hypertension, as they are brimming with an essential kind of protective phytochemicals called phthalates, which work to relax the muscle tissues lining the arterial walls, and this in turn speeds up the blood flow and reduces blood pressure levels to a healthy rate. All you need is 4 stalks of celery every day to keep your blood pressure levels regulated at a healthy rate. Feel free to add a tablespoon of unsalted and sugar-free peanut butter or almond butter to give yourself a little snack rich in protein and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Cold water fish. Cold water fish such as wild salmon, herring, tuna, trout, sardines, mackerel, halibut, and cod are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which hold potently powerful anti-inflammatory properties and provide a wondrous boost to the health of the cardiovascular system. Moreover, omega-3 fatty acids reduce blood pressure levels and prevent the symptoms that contribute to the risk factors of heart strokes and ailments. Research reveals that omega-3 fatty acids are the most vital fatty acids that cannot be produced by the body itself. Hence, we must obtain a sufficient supply of these essential acids through our daily diet. Countless studies have directly associated the consumption of omega-3 fatty acids with positive improvements and reductions in countless risk factors that lead to cardiac dysfunctions and disorders. For instance, they reduce blood triglycerides, which are basically a kind of that disrupts the bloodstream, along with lowering the heart rate and reducing the symptoms of atherosclerosis, which are basically plaque build-ups that occur in the arterial walls. You must at least consume 2 servings of cold water fish every week for effective results, and each serving should at least contain 6 ounces of either sardines, tuna, mackerel, or wild salmon. Only steer clear of farmed varieties as they contain harmful toxins. Even pregnant women and nursing mothers should break away from the baseless myths and enjoy the health benefits provided by organic cold water fish varieties. However, if you are suffering from a bleeding disorder, you have prescribed blood thinning medicines, or you have a tendency to bruise easily, you must consult your doctor regarding any issues that might arise with the addition of cold water fish to your diet. Broccoli. Broccoli is truly a powerhouse of nutrients, the most widely researched vegetable that nature has to offer, and of course brimming with countless health benefits. It hails from the plant family of cruciferous veggies, which are all held amongst superfoods. But broccoli truly beats every other veggie with its incredibly potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant profiles. No other food type can beat broccoli at reducing blood pressure levels and enhancing the strength of the heart. Broccoli is packed with a powerful assortment of blood pressure lowering nutrients such as vitamin C, fiber, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. All you need is 1 cup of steamed broccoli to brim your body with an impressive 200% of your daily nutrient requirement for vitamin C, which works wonders at regulating healthy blood pressure levels. Research suggests that vitamin C aids the body in excreting lead, which causes the sympathetic nervous system to become calm and relax, and eventually protects nitric oxide, an essential molecule that is responsible for relaxing blood vessels. This entire process speeds up the blood flow, and the antioxidant profile of vitamin C lowers blood pressure levels naturally. You must enjoy all the countless health benefits of broccoli every single day. If you can't warm up to eating all your meals with veggies, aim to at least consume one generous serving of broccoli every day. Dandelion. The pesky little weeds that we have always regarded as a nuisance have actually been used as an incredibly effective natural remedy for countless ailments and diseases for over hundreds of years. Several medicinal cultures around the globe, especially in Asia and Europe, regard dandelions' roots and leaves as edible and highly beneficial for healing several chronic and common health conditions. Dandelions not only work wonders at regulating normal blood pressure levels, but they are also splendidly healthy for the skin, eyes, and liver. They are regarded as natural diuretics, which basically means that they are capable of flushing out an excess amount of sodium without causing any potassium loss, and this aids the body in lowering blood pressure levels. You see, an excess of sodium causes the blood vessels to become narrow, and this raises our blood pressure levels. Potassium, on the other hand, regulates the amount of sodium and the rate of our blood pressure levels. Whole grain oats. Oats are brimming with magnesium and fiber, both of which are capable of enhancing and regulating healthy blood pressure levels. Oats also aid in preventing and reducing the symptoms of atherosclerosis, which is basically the excessive buildup of plaque that often occurs in blood vessels. A recent study examined the effects of wheat-based cereal and whole grain oat cereals over the period of 12 weeks. The results revealed that nearly 75% of participants suffering with hypertension who devoured oats cereal every day reduced their need of antihypertensive medicines by a whopping 50%. The other participants also experienced significant reductions in their blood pressure levels. You must consume at least one serving of whole grain oats every day, which should be no more than 3/4 cup of oats, and at least 6 servings every week for effective results. It is ideal to devour whole grain oats with skim milk or sugar-free soy milk, as it will give your body a boost of potassium and calcium. Feel free to add in a few mixed raw nuts and banana for extra potassium and minerals. Black beans. Black beans and other legumes boost an incredibly healthy balance of protein and high dietary fiber, and this unique nutrient profile is hard to come across in any other food item offered by nature. This allows them the power to enhance our arterial health and strengthen the arterial walls by maintaining healthy cholesterol and blood sugar levels, along with reducing blood pressure levels as well. Research reveals that black beans are brimming with magnesium and fiber, two extremely vital nutrients to normalize and reduce blood pressure levels. But the nutrient that really makes black beans a powerhouse of nutrition is none other than folate, also referred to as folic acid. Folate is a kind of vitamin B complex which works wonders at reducing all kinds of blood pressures, particularly systolic blood pressure. It enhances the blood flow and relaxes the blood vessels to improve overall cardiac health. Berries. Berries are one of the healthiest superfoods offered by nature, and no animal or plant-based food item can beat its potent density of fiber and antioxidants. All varieties of berries are fantastic. However, we strongly recommend you to devour heaps of raspberries, strawberries and blueberries, as they are packed with fiber, potassium and vitamin C, which makes them amazingly beneficial for regulating blood pressure levels. Blueberries, strawberries and raspberries are packed with fiber, and raspberries win the prize for the highest concentration of fiber. All you need is 1 cup of raspberries to fill you up with a whopping 30% of your daily doses requirement of fiber at the cost of no more than 60 calories. Low-fat dairy. Several studies have highlighted that the consumption of low-fat dairy products, for instance yogurt, milk and cheese, is directly associated with regulated blood pressure levels and a reduced risk of hypertension. Low-fat dairy products contain very few traces of fat, which is excellent because it enhances the bioavailability of calcium and makes it much easier for the body to absorb it. Moreover, low-fat dairy products, particularly milk, brim up your body with potassium and magnesium, which lower blood pressure levels and regulate a healthy balance. Be sure to include at least 3 servings of low-fat dairy items such as cheese, yogurt and milk. You can add this to your regular meals or devour them as a quick energizing snack.